there are 5 factors which are known to affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. There are 5 factors which affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. These are gene migration or gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination and natural selection. That is a gene migration or gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination and natural selection. When migration of a section of population to another place occurs, gene frequency change in the original as well as in the new population. This is population 1, this is population 2. From this population, certain organisms are moving to this population. So here the gene frequency, gene pool is changing. Here different organisms mixed together and the gene pool is different from these two. So change in the, there is a change occur in the original population. New generations are added to the new population and these are lost from the old population. In the new population, the genes gained. In the old population, the genes are lost. There would be a gene flow if this gene migration happen multiple times. So it may happen multiple times. Gene flow occurs. Gene flow occurs. Sometimes the change in allelic frequency is so different in the new sample of population. Sometimes it is so different in the new sample of population that they become the different species. So gradual changes occurs, variation occurs and it becomes the new species. The original drifted population become the founders. The original drifted population, the population which moves from the population 1, I showed no. So the some organisms are drifted from here to here. That drifted ones are called as founders and the effect is called as founders effect. So during migration, some organisms move from this population to this population and a new population is produced. It is entirely different from the parental population. Interbreeding occurs and new organisms are produced and which leads to the speciation, isn't it? The drifted organisms are called founders and the phenomena effect is called as founders effect. The next one is a bottleneck phenomena, bottleneck effect. The bottleneck effect is due to the population crash. What is population crash? A population is made up of number of species. Each species has its own gene pool. So the number of gene pool unite together to form different genes. Some due to some natural calamities, flood or any other natural calamities or due to some epidemic disease or migration, certain crash occurs. The movement of genes from that population may happen or it is eliminated. Number of genes are eliminated from the population. So the population gene pool reduced considerably. Gene pool reduces considerably and that is what is called population crash. Due to population crash, alleles lost progeny. So such a phenomena causing reduction in allelic frequency. So what is bottleneck phenomena? The key point is reduction in allelic frequency and loss of some alleles from the gene pool in a random fashion. Loss of alleles in the gene pool in a random fashion, that is what is called bottleneck phenomena. Dear children, examination point of view, Hardy-Weinberg binomial expression, bottleneck phenomena and the founders effect are very important. Take notes and underline the key points and study that.